Well, hello. Welcome to Double's Garage. Today we're going to be doing something simple. We're actually going to be replacing the car engine cover on a Jeep Patriot. All right, so if you've been following my channel, I've worked a lot on a Jeep Patriot. It's my father-in-law's Jeep Patriot. And last time I was working on it, I noticed that the car was missing an engine cover. Now, I'm not sure if that engine cover was missing from the factory or if it was missing because somebody, ended up stealing it or something. But I'm actually going ahead and I ordered one from eBay. I got a used one. And one of the things that I needed were these little, I forgot what they're called. I'll put a link, but pretty much the engine cover has these rubber grommets, but it needs these little studs to go onto. So I'm going to be replacing them because they were missing. So either, somebody had mentioned something where it doesn't come with the engine cover. If it doesn't, I bought one and we'll have one on there now, but you definitely need to order these, and I'll put a link in the description for all that. All right, so as you can see, here's the engine. There's the air horn that I installed in another video. I'll put a link up top for that. But there's a little post here. You can see here, and then there's two in the back. One right there and another one right there. Now these need these little posts. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those on. All right, so here's what they look like. They go right on top of here and they twist on. We'll work on this one here. All right, so we'll get some pliers and we'll torque those down. All right, we'll get these pliers. And I want to send a shout out to Super Clean for sending me some products. We're gonna get our engine cover now that we're at it. It's my engine cover. All right, so this is your engine cover. There's the rubber grommets. There's the rubber grommets where these little studs will go in. I'll go ahead and just tighten these, give them a slight tight. These are plastic, so you don't need to tighten them too much. Just like a quarter tighten. All right, that should do it. So once that's tightened, I'll go ahead and place this cover back on. Make sure these cables are in place. Alright, I'm just making sure all these cables aren't pinched here. And these are meant to go underneath here. So, there you go. And that's nice and tight. It's not going anywhere. And we're good to go. All right, so that's going to be it for today's video. It's going to be a quick video just replacing that engine cover. Like I said, if your car doesn't have one, if you lost it or broke, or if maybe these particular models don't come with it, because I know we have another 2015 that belongs to my mother-in-law. It's a blue one that you've seen on the channel. That one has it. But we were able to get a replacement for it. I just had to find those little studs so that the rubber grommets could fit into. But that's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully it helped you out. If it did, go ahead and leave a like, share, comment. Thank you for watching. You all take care and stay safe.